And so part of the tension of being a creator in a human body is to be able to feel and sense and know this great field of potentiality. And then to have the discernment and the wisdom to know, does my body have the space for this? Am I resourced for this? Do I have the external resources around me to bring this into form? Do I have the support system necessary to bring this into form? Am I going to be martyring or sacrificing myself to bring this into form? Is it going to give me life? Is it reciprocal? And these are all questions we should ask ourselves when we are gestating or conceiving. So for me, there's been this grief of recognizing what I haven't been able to birth, what I haven't had the space to give my energy to, where I've needed to actually earn money instead of bringing my energy into a deeper level of creation, where I've needed to take care of my son in order, rather than writing poetry, and just making peace with all of it.